I welcome all my viewers to my channel Easy Maths. Myself Pratima Tiwari. In this video for Standard 7 Maths, NCERT textbook solutions will be discussed. Let's get started with construction of triangles on the basis of two given angles and included sides given in exercise 10.4. So I start with the rough figure for the first question. Question number 1. Triangle ABC where side AB is given. So AB is 5.8 centimeter. Angle A is given as 60 degree. Angle B is given as 30 degree. So these are two angles and the included sides are given. And on this basis we have to construct the actual triangle. So the first step will be to have a base of 5.8 centimeter. This is my AB 5.8. Now I have to construct an angle 60 degree at this vertex A. So this is my 60 degree angle. Let me make a ray from vertex A. And this is 60 degree. Now at B I need 30 degree. So I'll take 60 degree and bisect it so that I get 30 degree angle. So angle bisector of 60 degree is 30 degree. And this point where this ray from A and the ray from B intersects is my point C. And ABC is the required triangle. Question number 2. Here the side is given as 5 centimeter and it is PQ of 5 centimeter. At Q, I need an obtuse angle 105 degree. At R, it is given 40 degree. So this point, if it is R, this is 40 degree. But at P, I need one angle whose measurement is not given. So if you remember angle sum property of a triangle, the sum of all the interior angles should be 180 degree. So find out what should be the measure of angle P. Measure angle P should be 180 degree minus the sum of given angles. So it is 105 plus 40, that is 145 degree. So I get 35 degree as angle P. I need 5 centimeter PQ. Now at P I need 35 degree. So I'll be using protractor for that. So protractor will be helping me to make 35 degree. Take the interior one which starts with 0. So 0, 10, 20, 30 and in half of 30 and 40 I have this point. This will give me 35 degree. Next is 105 degree at Q. So that also I'll be doing with protractor. The one which starts from 0, I point it here. Make this ray little bigger so that we get a point of intersection and this is my R. So this is 105 degree, 35 degree and the included side. So PQR is the required triangle. Here in question number 3, we are given with two angles 110 degree and 80 degree. So if you add them, you get 190 degree, which is not possible for a triangle. So this triangle DEF cannot be constructed. So we completed exercise 10.4. In my next video, I'll be coming with next exercise 10.5. Till then, keep practicing, keep learning. Bye-bye. Have a great day ahead.